Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine and you all must have enjoyed your winter vacation too. So I welcome you all back to your EVS class. Today we will be starting our new chapter, that is chapter number 22, Left, Right. So in this chapter what we are going to read about? Let's see the objectives. First, we are going to read about how to identify different directions. And next, we are going to read about compass, how it is helpful in finding out directions. So, let's start. In this chapter, as the name suggests, left, right. So, first you have to understand which one is your left hand and which one is your right hand. As you can see, a picture is given below of a hand. A picture of a hand is given and you have to place your palm over this picture. Your thumb and finger should be placed on those drawn in the picture. So you have to put it appropriately on this picture. What do you think, children? On this picture, which hand of yours will fit? Is it your left hand? Try it. No, our left hand is not fitting over the picture. Now, let's try with our right hand. Yes, our right hand is fitting appropriately on the thumb and other fingers given in the picture. Let's know more about directions. So at first, you have your right hand. Yes, towards your right hand is right direction. And towards your left, that is opposite of right, is your left direction. And in front of you means when you are seeing in front of you, the front view is the front direction. And back or behind. Alright? Now, are these the only directions we have? Let's see more about it. The right side of yours is also known as east direction, and towards your left, that is opposite of right, is west direction. And on the top we have north, and behind or back is our south. So children, again see the diagram properly. Towards your right side is the east direction. Towards your left is west direction. And we all know sun rises from east and sets in the west direction. And towards the front is our north direction. And back or behind we have south direction. So the four main directions we have are east, west, north and south. These are the four main directions we have. Remember this. Now, as in the first page of your textbook, one picture of a hand was given. Now I have given you two different pictures of two different hands, and you have to find out which one will fit your left hand and on which your right hand will fit. Now, see the picture on your left side? Yes, on it your left hand is fitting properly. And the picture on your right side? Yes, your right hand is fitting on it perfectly. Now see, another activity is given in your textbook. Now look in your classroom and tell. Now see, I have given a picture of the classroom because you all are not going to class, to the school nowadays. So I have given a picture of the classroom here so that you can easily see that and write the answers for this questions asked here. So let's see. In the first picture, what is there on your left? Suppose you are sitting in the middle row of the class. So what is there on your left hand side? The windows are there. Correct? On your left hand side, the windows are there. Then what things are there behind you? Either the wall will be behind you or your classmates are sitting behind you, right? So accordingly you have to answer. On whose left side are you sitting? So that means if you are sitting in the middle row, on your friend's left hand side you are sitting. So the friend will be sitting on your right hand side. So you have to write the name of your friend who is sitting on your right hand side. What is there on your right? Here we can see some chart or some map is there on the wall on our right hand side. Who is sitting on your right? Now your friend is sitting on your right. So you have to write the name of your friend who is sitting on your right hand side. Who is in front of you? If you are sitting in the first bench, then your teacher is there, blackboard is there. And if you are sitting in the middle, then you will write your friend's name. On whose right are you sitting? That means the friend which is sitting on your left hand side. On his right hand side you are sitting. So you have to write the name of the friend who is sitting on your left hand side. Understood everyone? Interesting this activity is, isn't it? So do it yourself in the book itself. Now here is another activity given for you. Let's see what is the activity. This is a picture with Ruchira in the center. So the girl sitting in the middle of the picture, her name is Ruchira. She is sitting in the middle. You can see 4 directions are made, 4 boxes are made in 4 directions. So what we have to do? Let's see, let's read the question once again. So this is a picture with Ruchira in the center. In this picture, we have to draw some things. What we have to draw? First, we have to draw a book behind Ruchira. So at first, you have to find which is behind Ruchira. What else we have to do? In the second one, a chair on Ruchira's left. That means we have to find Ruchira's left side also. Then an animal on Ruchira's right. So we have to find Ruchira's right side also. And in the last, a tree in front of Ruchira. So we have to find out the front direction also. So let's start. Let's do this. I hope you all remember the directions that we have learned. So let's start. So as per the question, at first we have to find out the behind of Ruchira. So see, I have written this is back or behind Ruchira. Then we have to find out the left side of Ruchira. So this I have written left. See, this is the left side of Ruchira. Then on right side, see, I have written right. So this is the right side of Ruchira. And in front, see, I have written this is her front side. So I have written front over there. Now what we have to do? So now as per the question, we have to draw a book behind Ruchira. So you can see I have drawn a book behind Ruchira. This is a back side behind. So I have drawn a book over here. Next, what is being asked? We have to draw a chair on Ruchira's left. So I have drawn a chair on Ruchira's left. The rest too you have to do it yourself. On the right, you have to draw a picture of an animal, and in the front you have to draw a tree. So you have to do it yourself in the book. Now this is our country, India. This is the map we have. See, we have divided our country also according to the directions. So on the north side, we have the light blue colored part is our north part of our country. And this yellowish part is the east part of our country. The greenish part is the west part. And the pinkish part is the south part of our country. So we have also divided our country according to the 4 main directions. So students, you have read about directions. Now tell me, how can you find out the correct direction, or how can you locate the direction correctly? By using compass, we can locate or find directions correctly. So compass is used for finding the correct direction. So here in the picture you can see compass is a device that we use to find direction. So here you can see in the compass, this blue colored arrow is showing the north direction, and opposite of it is south direction. Now you can see all the directions in the compass. This is a compass. Sailors and pilots use a compass to know the direction in which they are moving. So sailors when they are sailing the ship, and pilots when they are flying the aeroplanes or helicopters, they need to find the correct direction. So with the help of compass, they can understand the direction properly and can go to their destination properly. Now let's do some assignments. Alright students, today after this, you all eat healthy food so that you all can be healthy and strong. Alright? And remember these 3 things: wear mask, keep distance and stay safe. You all need to stay safe and need to stay home. Alright? Bye bye students. See you soon.